Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Munja, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this flamingo. Here's what you need. First of all, your bullet journal, of course. Then a pencil set, a rubber, the micron fine liner, and your brush pen set. So now, when you have everything together, we can get started. So first we are going to sketch the flamingo just with a pencil, because you can rub off all the lines, and you see me starting with an oval, and then I'm drawing some lines for the throat here. You basically just need these geometric forms to draw whatever you can imagine. That's a great thing, but you need to get used to just splitting up things into geometric forms, and then when you have that, you draw around, like you saw me now drawing here the feathers. You just first have your geometric shape, and then you start drawing around that and get more defined. If you need help drawing the flamingo, you can always go to our store and grab the free plan there, how to draw the flamingo. So I show you step by step how you can doodle this. It's completely free, so you just need to grab it, download it, print it out, flamingo sheet, and then you draw whatever you need to get drawn. So there are several sheets, so here in case it's a flamingo sheet. So now we are grabbing the micron fine liner, and you see me just drawing the lines I'm going to need, and all the rest I just leave out and rub them off in just a bit. So, and in case you don't want to draw at all, even me showing you things step by step and you still don't feel like you want to draw, no problem as well. Just go to our store and you will find the complete sheet there, and you can grab it and download and just put it into your bullet journal, glue it into your bullet journal, or you use some graphite paper and then put it into your bullet journal. It's pretty easy. So now I finally used a brush pen. I have a rose and a pink one, and I start with a lighter one and just draw over my flamingo. But be careful, if you draw several layers of color, it's getting darker here. So that is how the brush pens work. You put one layer and then you put another and it gets darker, just like you would use watercolor or something. So just be careful and know about it, and then you can draw very well with these brush pens, because they are pretty easy to handle once you know that. But you see, now when I put another layer, it's getting a little bit darker. So once I'm done with the first layer, I'm going to use the pink one for some shading. So once I feel I'm done with the basic shading, I use a water tank pen here and draw over it. This means I mix up the different colors, and I think that looks pretty nice. So that's from me for today. I really hope you liked this tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to leave me a thumb up, maybe subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And I always love to hear from you, so leave me a comment. So until then, bye!